Welcome back to Vegan Sing. Today we're making pakoras, the perfect chai time snack, which packs a flavorful punch. Aayo chaliye. Onion sliced, not diced, and yes, red, no exceptions. 1 lime, 2 jalapenos, and a bunch of spinach, along with gram flour, which is essentially chickpea flour. Now let's add our spices: turmeric, Kashmiri red chili powder, cumin, and salt. And then you gotta add your garam masala. Boom. And have some rice powder for some crunchiness. Squeeze in that lime and add water and start mixing. You want to mix in a clockwise manner. So I heard that some people think Indian food only has one spice. Well, this is the perfect dish to prove those skeptics wrong, as Indian food is full of flavor, especially pakoras. Now let's go ahead and add the other ingredients into the mixture, including onions and spinach, and then keep mixing with your hand. Yeah, you're gonna get your hands dirty, but it's all good. It's actually really therapeutic. Let me know if you agree. Let's keep on mixing, and then we're gonna blend the jalapenos and then add them as well. Gotta add some spice to your life. It's frying time, just testing if the oil is hot. Literally all you gotta do is take a dollop and grab a dollop of the pakora batter and throw it into the oil. I'm using canola oil, and I'm continuing to fry this until the pakoras are a perfect golden brown. And when it's golden brown, the insides are also cooked appropriately, and then you're good to enjoy amazing vegan pakoras. And yes, these are usually vegan. The non-vegan recipe sometimes has yogurt in it, which is not needed. The biggest key secret was when I put the rice powder. Rice powder helps the pakoras crisp up, so make sure that's an ingredient you do not forget. So make sure you enjoy these amazing pakoras with tamarind chutney, which is imli di chutney in Punjabi. And the Punjabi word of the episode is karara, which means flavorfully spicy good, because these pakoras are to die for. Look at that. When you just rip that open, it looks amazing. The onion, the spinach, and the flavors so aromatic. So let me try one. I guarantee it's really good. Ooh, that's really good. Make sure you try it. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Vegan Sing.